USP Traffic East Khasi Hills Shillong uke prasad ulaya thu hausnam 8,000 arpulai tang hapo Shillong la sakhi 20 ringut ki jingja accident ki bala register case bat na padang kini ki 20 ringut 20 ngut kila du e ya ka jing em pat ringut kila shitom jur na ki accident ulaya thu ru batang ha upnai kala lengkot 8,000 arpusau la du e ringut ki mensim brio na ki accident na ka daw jing pen hairstead ha banyak kali sau shaka bat ar shaka yakani ulakran haka jingelang kan National Road Safety Month kabala long haka khatsau tarik urempang 8,000 arpusau ha parking lot marpersha abaka State Bank of India hakani ka jingelang ladon ru ka Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District kong RM Kurba u District Transport Officer ba R Hinch ki nongnya kali kamai bat kiwe ki officer sarkar
being observed throughout in India to create the awareness about the safety on the roads for the drivers and the user itself. What we have experienced that in every year there are thousands of precious lives are lost due to the road accidents, and many of them they sustain the fatal injuries. The reason behind it is the reckless driving, speed, over speeding, and many speakers they have all attributed that the respect. They are not respecting each other rights. They are asserting themselves that they are only the one who are paying the road tax, and they only are being allowed to exercise their wills. These are not the rules. In fact, in Meghalaya itself, we have numbers of casualties every year. In Shillong city, last year we have registered 46 cases. 46 cases, out of 46 cases, 40 deaths were reported and 15 persons were sustained grievous injuries. I am talking about 2024 in the month of January. Only we have registered 6 cases where we have lost 6 lives. And there are 13 grievous injuries. So that way you can imagine that how conscious we are while using the roads. We are always in hurry. We do not pay the importance for others, and we are overtaking in the busy markets, whereas Basimdi, he has already given the brief details, and it was a very nice expression where each and everyone should understand. Confronting to each other, it carry no meanings, because traffic is generally who are on the road. They are performing their jobs, they are regulating and enforcing the laws. It is one who can make the difference. It is only the drivers. The drivers who sits carry a lot of responsibility. He doesn't carry his own life, but he carry the others also. So that he should understand that while using the roads, they should be careful. They should not understand that it gives a thrill while driving. Driving under the state of intoxication itself is a crime. And as you know, that the fine is amounting to 10,000 rupees. If your driving, if your consumption limit exceeds more than 30 mg in per 100 ml blood, you are unable to control as per the NDX. So it should not exceed beyond 30 mg. But I would say that while driving, please don't consume alcohol, because you lose your judgment. When you are intoxicated, you do not know what is wrong and what is right. You are under the state of intoxication and you drive and you thrill yourself. That way you are endangering your life itself and endangering the life of others also. So learn to respect each other's rights so that the other road users are also there. As we have already given the pamphlets, we have distributed the pamphlets. The teenage driving is increasing. That we need to understand that what is their qualification limits.
But hindi tanla kaya ka. But bonsin, ni siyam ba, habang imi na yan, ni siya ni klan, ni lech higam. And teng so si banong ba, habang ini na yang ini da kajing kemen ndai Khubor bawan hadin pada kalong ba na accident no nene naklan no kala belong not necessarily the driver or the passenger, but it can also be a pedestrian. Kala belong tang ya kinong nya kali dan kitu kinong nya kali ki ba ya tengku kali para mapi lene ye passenger Nreru kalong ru yakinong ya danti. That's why ngidon kam ban penlong kini programan man kapor kenang bang in pen kesil pia. We need to conduct these programs very often because we need to kind of create this awareness that there is in our constitution of the country, Constitution of India. Pakaan jong ka ganong rin ka bang ipentrikam hakari jongi kata constitution ngidan atli ki chapters ngidan atli gilenong kaway gilenong kalong ka fundamental rights but lenong ka basaw ka di fundamental duties babon sin nangi ngimju pet ya kata gilenong ka basaw bon nangi ngitip ha we only know about our rights. But we never give the importance of the fundamental duties that we are supposed to also give the importance and stress. So therefore today we take this opportunity to talk about both our rights and our duties. And I'm so happy today that Bas Evle has mentioned both. And I just want to reiterate and confirm that we should educate each and every citizen, especially sometimes it's not even the fault of the driver, as has been rightly pointed out by some speakers, that nowadays children, they use the headgears while walking on the street. I wish